Modern Living Room Partition Wall Design 2024 Room Divider Ideas. Create a stunning and functional living space with our Modern Living Room Partition Wall Design 2024. In this video, we explore innovative room divider ideas that will transform your home into a contemporary oasis. Our expert designers have curated the latest trends and creative solutions to enhance your living room's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Key features: sleek and stylish partition wall designs, space-saving room divider ideas, functional and versatile living room layouts, expert tips for modern interior decor, high-quality materials and finishes. Transform your space. Discover how to make the most out of your living room area with our expert tips and tricks. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious home, our partition wall design ideas are tailored to suit various room sizes and layouts. Create designated zones for dining, entertainment, work, or relaxation, all while maintaining a cohesive and chic design throughout your living space. Modern aesthetics. Explore the latest color palettes, furniture designs, and decor elements that will elevate the visual appeal of your living room. From minimalist and Scandinavian styles to bold and eclectic designs, find inspiration to match your unique taste and personality. Our Modern Living Room Partition Wall Design 2024 collection is all about creating a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. Customization options. Learn about customization options available for partition walls, including different materials, textures, and finishes. Tailor your room divider to match your existing decor or create a striking focal point that catches everyone's attention. Our experts will guide you through the process, ensuring that your living room partition wall perfectly aligns with your vision. Shop the look. Looking to recreate the showcase designs in your own home? Explore our hand-picked selection of furniture, decor items, and accessories. We've curated a list of stylish and affordable pieces that will help you achieve the desired look without breaking the bank. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your living room into a modern masterpiece. Watch our video now for a dose of inspiration and practical tips that will redefine your home's interior design. Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on home decor and interior styling. Let's embark on this design journey together.